Okay, class, today we're going to have an activity and you'll be doing this by group.
Okay, so on a piece of paper, write down your ideas on the three states of matter.
Ha? Ano daw? Hindi ko naintindihan.
What? I don't understand the question.
Name of matter.
What?
Name of matter.
What? The teacher asked, what are the three states of matter? Which are solid, liquid, and gas?
Ah, gets ko na.
Oh,
Ano na now? Solid, liquid, and gas.
Good job, students. You work together despite your circumstances. That's real teamwork right there.
That you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll